Right, one of your Flexvolts, and I'm getting a lot of these recently. It might be because it's getting cold and they're all breaking. I don't know. The indicator light there shows nothing at the front. We'll see what we've got in terms of voltage. Not too bad, so just under 15 really. So hopefully that's just a few little improvements to voltages, but we'll see. So I've already taken the screws out here before anyone mentions that. That's just to make it a little bit easier, run a bit smoother. So there's a few pen marks on here, which is normally a telltale sign that someone's probably had a look at it already, which isn't a problem. Here we've got a bit of corrosion on the bottom left there on those couple of cells. You can see that. So that's probably another sign as well, but we'll have a look at the individual banks voltages here just to see what's going on. Right, and they are quite difficult on Flexvolts just to get around those sort of flexible circuits. So here 0.2, which is not great, so that's probably one of the issues. This is the other one that's got corrosion on, which is actually quite good. So what we'll do is, if we have to do any repairs, we'll just see what we can do with that one if we can clean it up. So what was that, 1.7, 4.2, so that one's not bad. 2.6, but you can start to see these are a little bit all over the place. 2.9, so balance is a real issue then on this pack. 2.9, 3.1, so yeah, definitely there's a balancing problem here. Just under 3.1 there. So they're quite tricky as well, these. If I've got to do all those different sets, you can't just simply do it by touching one end and the other and magicking them all to the same number. It's quite difficult here. So especially on this type of battery. So what I'll do then, I'll just have a further look. There's definitely a couple of cells in the bottom left here that need replacing. At least one. Might be able to recover that other one, but we'll have a look when we can get it open and get some rubbing alcohol on it if you like, and see if we can clean that off. And that is also a new board. So someone's put a new board on this, which is good. Not done too bad a job actually. So you can see the solders on the joints there. And it is a slightly different looking board. Same thing, it's just one of these aftermarket ones, so it'll work perfectly fine. So not too bad a job there, it's just the cells then. So if we'd have balanced the cells and changed those other two, this will probably still be okay. But that's the recovery that we're going to have to do here. So to do that, we've got to get all these off, which is quite annoying on the Flexvolts. On the other side where the black is, you've actually got to somehow take that off the front of all of those cells. You've got to take that flexible circuit off. It's, yeah, quite a bit of work, but we should be able to get this one back up and running, hopefully. So not too bad.